Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back to my channel. So happy new year to all of you. 2018, we are here and I'm starting off the new year right. With this video, I received another VoxBox from Influenster. All the products that I'm about to review and discuss with you today are complimentary from Influenster. So again, thank you Influencer for choosing me to receive another box. So I received what was called a Tinsel VoxBox. In this package was like a variety of products, and honestly to me it was a box that was like something for the whole family. And I'm going to go over each item that I got. I even got coupons. I still haven't yet used the coupons, but once I do, and I actually, you know, some of them came with recipes, I'll definitely leave a review on those corresponding companies. The first thing I used in this VoxBox was actually and I don't have the little bottles because I use them. They gave me samples of the VERA WANG Embrace and the NAUTICA Blue Sail. So what was perfect, this is cologne, is for men, and of course this one's for women. The VERA WANG is for women. What was perfect about this is that my husband and I, for New Year's Eve, went to this really grand gala event at our old wedding venue, and we decided to use the perfume and cologne because every time, and I learned this from my wedding, is that every time you use a different scent for a special occasion, every time you use it, all you do is remember that event. So what was great about that is that we got to have new scents to use that night. And I actually, starting with the VERA WANG, this actually has it's the green tea and pear blossom, and I love the notes and tones in this perfume. It is actually my preferred scent. I would definitely buy this again, and the retail price for this perfume, which isn't bad, is $29.99. So I mean, I actually get Victoria's Secret Bombshell. I really love that scent. I believe that goes for maybe, I think, $25. I'm not sure. I'll put like a little line correction if it's less or if it's more, but I would definitely get this scent again because, like I said, I really love that it had the floral fragrance. It also blends with the pearl blossom, green tea with notes of freesia and sandalwood. So I really love those types of scents. Definitely for me, a must. I will get this again. I talked to my husband about this one. He said, my husband, as long as it smells good, his thing is like he'll get it again. I love the way it smelled on him. I think it mixed well with his chemistry. So I think for sure I would definitely get this again. And then the Nautica Blue Sail cologne is actually a little bit more expensive at $34. It retails for $34.99. Last night I did my nighttime routine and I wanted to try out two additional products that came in the Tinsel VoxBox, and I got the 7th Heaven, I'm sorry, like I used it last night, so 7th Heaven charcoal peel mask and the Gold Bond Radiance coconut oil. So I'm going to go ahead and show you video of what I filmed last night using these two products. I typically use Gold Bond on the kids, and I love Gold Bond products, so I just got out of the shower. I did use this. It is very creamy. I don't feel oily. I love like body butters and stuff. So let's focus on here. So that's pretty much the consistency. It's not too much. And I have gone or used products that's a lot. So I do actually really like this product. I like Gold Bond in general. This Radiance Renewal Cream Oil, my skin tends to get dry. Even though I live in South Florida, we do get these random cold fronts. The air does get drier, so my skin does get dry. So this is perfect for this time of year. So I love this. So I just put this on. Now I'm going to use the 7th Heaven Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And when I saw this, I was like, I didn't think that honestly I would be doing any type of product reviews on something like this. Since I did get it complimentary from Influencer, I'm going to go ahead and try this. It says this mask is cleansing and detoxifying. It's easy to peel. We'll see. It does say that they are cruelty free, approved by the Vegetarian Society. It does say in small script that we're vegetarian and animals are our friends. That's why we don't bash bunnies or add bits of animals. It does says that the price at Walmart for this product is $1.99. It is one pack. I've gotten these like single packs before. So one that I got before, I got like 4 uses out of it. I really don't know how much I'm going to get out of this, but we shall see. And it says to leave on for 20 to 25 minutes. So I'm gonna go over with a second layer because I'm scared that it's too thin and it's not gonna peel as easy as it says. Okay, so definitely one use. I'm scared. It's been about maybe 5-10 minutes. I feel it starting to dry. It definitely has a smell to it, and for me it smells like patchouli oil. I went to Hawaii. I went to this little town called Pahoa, and it's like a lot of the residents there are like mainland hippies. They're very much into, you know, the nature and the land, and that's all I smelled was patchouli oil. So if witch hazel and birch leaf is in patchouli oil, I smell that, and it's not one of my favorite smells. So I really don't like patchouli oil. But if you don't mind it, then great. And it does have that soothing and calm, like it's tingly. I'm gonna wait for this to set in, and then I'll start peeling it off. And if I have any problems, you guys will see firsthand. I've never felt a peel this tight before, like ever, so I'm like really scared. So I put on this little headband thing because there's little hairs going into my face. So plus I had to do a cute like Instagram thing for influencers. So I started peeling it off. So it seems to be pretty easy. So I'm gonna look over to the side because I'm looking at the viewfinder. But yeah, this is great. This is like nothing like I've seen, like the horror stories I've seen. Guys, check this out. Ta-da! Like, oh my god. Look at how easy this is. Okay. If I didn't wax my eyebrows, they're getting it done now. Oh, shh. Alright, no, seriously. Uh-oh. Oops, didn't clear. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Yo, those hairs are coming off. Okay, so, wow. Besides the smell, wow. I can just, yeah, I might have to wash that off. See, that's definitely, you see that? That's definitely sticking onto some hairs, dude. So, I'm gonna have to wash that off. Okay. So, that was the entire mask besides this one part right here. Like, my skin feels so clean. My face feels... This is a winner, guys. For real, I will seriously buy this again, even though the smell really bothered me. I can always plug my nose. Yeah, you can still smell that patchouli. It's patchouli oil. That is that. On to the next product. Also in the box, in the Tinsel VoxBox was, it was from BARKBOX actually. Nana's leftover SAMMIE, like a toy sandwich, and I'm looking around to see if my dog left it here. He did not. Here's a little tag. I'm going to show you some video of my dog with this toy. When I first opened up this box, I actually gave it to him. My husband wanted me to give it to him as a Christmas present, but he could tell something was in the box, so I eventually gave in and gave it to him. I have never seen my dog treat a toy with such care. He loves his toy. He hasn't ripped it. He knows there's a squeaky thing inside, and every squeaky toy he gets, he tries to rip in the middle and get the little whatever makes the noise in the middle. He has not. He brings it with him everywhere. It's like his little comfort teddy bear type thing. This was an amazing toy for him. I've never, again, seen him like this. So, again, this was a great product, and this retails between $10 and $18. And BARKBOX is actually a monthly delivery for your dog. So we're looking into that to see if, you know, it spares us from getting new toys or anything, and he seems to like it. So we're gonna try it out and see how it works. Okay, so this morning I am actually getting ready to go to a bridal show with my future sister-in-law. If you haven't seen the video, make sure to click above on the link to see the surprise proposal my brother did. It was super sweet. She's a huge Harry Potter fan, so it happened in front of Hogwarts Castle at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. I got also in the Tinsel VoxBox is this, the Luscious Pout Maker Lip Crayon, and this is a matte lip. I tend to lean more towards reds, but when I saw this color, I was like, okay, I can totally do a romantic look for today's event, which I did using the Naked 3 palette. I didn't film that. I was rushing this morning, so maybe another time I'll go ahead and show this. It's a very soft, romantic type look. You can use it for day or night. But going back to the lip contour crayon, it's great because it is a lip liner and you just fill it in. What's great about this lip color and a product like this is that you can really, if you've never gone outside of your boundaries on going outside of your lip line to make your lips fuller, this is perfect to go ahead and do that. Now, it is matte. It did go on a little bit hard, but I actually like it because I can tell that it's gonna last all day. What I might do later is put a gloss on top if I feel that it's looking too dry. So this is a perfect color and a perfect product to start going ahead, trying to go outside of your comfort zone, going a little bit outside that lip line if you want a fuller lip. So this is the box it came in. This is the package it came in. And it was very pretty. The description was pretty great. It was like lipstick meets lip liner with a creamy glide of vivid matte color to contour and fill your lips, which it did. So my lips look amazing. I actually really like it. So I will definitely be using this product part of my everyday routine because the color is so neutral, and I don't have to mess with reapplying all day. So for my everyday work makeup, this will be a staple product for me. So again, this is what it's a crayon. And definitely prime your lips, I think, with lip conditioner before you do this because it is kind of dry, but I'm not complaining about the feel of it. There are others that I like can tend to be sticky or too dry and too much. Okay, so the last bit of products I got in the Tinsel VoxBox was the Eva NYC dry shampoo and dry conditioner. Now, I don't know if you can see my hair. I haven't washed it in like 3 days. I didn't have time to wash it. I'm gonna use this product right now in front of the camera, and then I'm gonna do my whole rest of my routine so I can get ready to go to this wonderful event with my beautiful sister-in-law, future sister-in-law, whatever, same thing. I've never been partial to dry shampoos or conditioners. They've just always been kind of weird. I have not used this yet. So here is the dry shampoo and the dry conditioner. Didn't say that I couldn't use both, so I'm using both today. Let's spray this. I'm using the viewfinder to kind of see where I'm going with this. It smells good. I'm just massaging this throughout my hair. You know what? I'm doing it in the front. And it does kind of feel like I just, wow. Oh wow, look at that. I think once I blow dry it out, you'll see more of a, oh wow. Crazy. So now I'm going to use the conditioner, not so much on my scalp, but more towards the ends of my hair, so it just looks not so dry towards the end. So oily on top, dry towards the bottom. My hair actually feels really good, guys. I'm a little impressed. I'm never too partial on these dry shampoos and conditioners, but this feels nice. So I'm going to be right back. I'm going to blow out my hair, put on my accessories, and I'll be right back. This is how my hair turned out. Still a little oily, but I think it's good for like a quick touch up. I can honestly, it did bring a little bit of life back into my hair. The ends feel great. The conditioner feels awesome. I can't complain about the dry conditioner. So also again, for a quick fix, that is the Eva NYC dry shampoo and conditioner. Eva NYC Freshen Up dry shampoo retails for $12, and so does the Eva NYC Forget Me Not dry conditioner, also for $12. The dry shampoo cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, adds instant volume. I did notice a little bit of volume. I'm not gonna lie, there is a little bit of volume because otherwise it'd be like really flat. And then the Eva NYC Forget Me Not dry conditioner is just detangles without water, softens the cuticles, which I did notice, eliminates static and frizz. I had a little bit of frizz, and has vitamin B5, softens and strengthens, while vitamin C and fatty acids enhance, shine, nourish, and repair. So there is shine, definitely shine. I did notice that the ends, like, I don't know if you can see this part, but it's not as dry as it was before I put it on. It was not dry as it was after I put it on. So whatever. Something like that. I also did get coupons from, and this, again, like I said, for the whole family, was by Country Crock. They also sent me a recipe. So the Christmas cookie wreath recipe. This is the coupon. And I just went shopping and I totally forgot about this. Haute Look actually did send me a coupon. I did not use it. They sent me a $10 off purchase off 50. I've never shopped from them before, and honestly, I don't buy clothes for family or friends. I do gift cards. BARKBOX did send me a coupon for an additional $19 once I subscribe. I get a bigger BARKBOX that has double the treats, double the chews, double the toys. So this did not expire, so I'm good to use this. So that is my Tinsel VoxBox video product reviews. I hope you liked the information I provided to you. I love getting these products just to kind of try out firsthand and give you an honest review. Pretty much all the products were amazing. The only ones I'm kind of like about was the Eva NYC dry shampoo and conditioner. I think I need to use it a few more times and I can really give my honest opinion. If you like this video, make sure you give my video a big thumbs up. Also, please do follow me on all my other social media platforms. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, stay sassy, sexy, and sophisticated, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.